Bonjour à vous et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de French avec Tuhi. So today we are going to talk about how to ask questions in French. So there are lots of ways to ask the questions, but today we are going to discuss about how to ask questions without using question words such as what, why, how and all. And we are not going to use these words, these interrogative words, but we are still going to ask the questions using one simple expression called est-ce. Est-ce, like actually it is pronounced as est-ce. Okay, so for example, it's very easy to say, guys. So let's say first I give you an affirmative sentence, he's speaking with me, which is, of course, I hope you can translate it very easily. Il parle avec moi. Parler verb that we have used in our previous classes. Il parle avec moi. Now, if I want to ask the question like, is he speaking with me or does he speak with me? So you would say, est-ce qu'il parle avec moi? Est-ce qu'il parle avec moi? Similarly, some more examples like, est-ce que vous parlez français? Do you speak French? Est-ce que vous parlez français? Basically, the affirmative sentence is, vous parlez français. You just add est-ce que in front of it and put a question mark at last. Then it becomes the question. Est-ce que vous parlez français? This is very simple trick, guys, right? We already know how to make simple affirmative sentence, at least using ER verbs so far, like parler, like manger, like acheter. Let's say one more sentence using some other ER verb. Let's say, do you like eating apples? So aimer verb. So first you make the sentence affirmatively. Vous aimez manger des pommes? Then you add est-ce que in front of it. Est-ce que vous mangez des pommes? That's the question, guys. Do you like eating apples? Est-ce que vous mangez des pommes? Now, one more example. You try it on yourself. Are we going to the cinema hall tonight? So first, make it affirmatively. We are going to the cinema tonight. So, nous allons au cinéma ce soir. Just add est-ce que in front of it. Est-ce que nous allons au cinéma ce soir? That's it, guys. Very easy, right? One more. Est-ce que vous venez d'Inde? Do you come from India? Or are you from India? Est-ce que vous venez d'Inde? Est-ce que Marie chez elle? Is Marie at home? Or is Marie at her place? Est-ce que Marie chez elle? Est-ce que vous voulez du café? Do you want coffee? Est-ce que vous voulez du café? This is how you are going to use est-ce que. Very simple term. Est-ce que is a fixed expression. You can use it in asking questions without using any question words. Moreover, you can also ask questions without even using est-ce que. For example, we just interchange the position of the verb and the subject. So that's what we do in English as well. Let's say, il aime jouer au cricket. He likes to play cricket. So you just interchange the position of the subject and the verb. So subject is il, verb is aime. Just interchange the position, guys. It becomes Emile jouer au cricket. Same thing. It is giving the same example. It is giving the same message. You can also use est-ce qu'il aime jouer au cricket. If you want to ask like est-ce que vous voulez du café, you can just use this sentence without using est-ce que as well. So you can just say voulez-vous du café? Voulez-vous du café? So these are the two ways of asking questions in French, guys. So these are the two ways, guys, in which you can ask questions in French. It's up to you which one do you prefer to use, but I think the est-ce que one is the simplest one because you already know how to make the sentences affirmatively and just add est-ce que in front of the question. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope you like the concept of est-ce que and you are going to use it a lot of times in your French conversation in your daily life as well. I would request you to hit the like button and also comment some sentences using est-ce que in this after you finish this video. So guys, we are going to meet in the next video. Till then, au revoir.